Welcome to 130 West Street in Granby, an 18th century home that's leaped into the present with thoughtful updates that respect the past but feel decidedly right for today. Are you ready to step inside? This stunning modern antique colonial showcases a perfect blend of old world charm coupled with new modern sophisticated amenities. This magnificent historic home has been completely redesigned from the basement up to suit a modern lifestyle and feels as though it has evolved authentically over time without sacrificing any of its historic integrity. The exemplary craftsmanship is evident throughout this gorgeous home, featuring original wide pine flooring that's been carefully preserved and refinished. Beautiful rustic wood ceiling beams that quickly add to the wow factor. And well, who doesn't love a front and back staircase? The real showstopper is this cooking fireplace with bake oven. And it continues as we come across this room and head up the front staircase where we can see the exposed backside of the original center chimney, displayed as it's a work of art. The gourmet kitchen is a real treat for the eyes and heart, with so many special elements to appreciate. Like the Viking stove, soapstone counters, copper apron farmhouse sink, double ovens, warming drawer, and wine chiller. This beautiful home has so much to offer that when you think about the numbers that are related to it, it's pretty incredible. A 230-year-old home with approximately 4,000 square feet that include 11 rooms, 4 beds, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage with an option to purchase the abutting 3-story barn, totaling a 2.8 acres of land. There are 4 fireplaces in this gracious home, and one has been converted to a wood-burning insert for practicality and efficiency. The incredible first floor master suite is almost 700 square feet alone, boasting an office or sitting room, ensuite bath with standalone tub and walk-through closet that has been modernized for maximum use. The additional 3 bedrooms can be found upstairs on the 2nd floor that are loaded with natural light and double closets. The 2nd level also boasts an incredibly spacious 700 square foot bonus room full of rustic character with beamed ceiling, wrapped in rough cut wood, and equipped with heat and AC. While this home is aesthetically beautiful, the story that lies behind the home is equally matched, rich in history, where it's even featured in this book right here. A carefully restored home built in 1790 that has once shared its space as a school, an inn, a general store, and at one point was the original meeting place in the town of Granby. This 3-story barn also has the possibility of being included for an additional price. It's where all big dreams begin, and you have the possibility to turn it into whatever you want because it's zoned commercially. 130 West Street in Granby. You're not simply just buying a home, but rather purchasing a piece of American history. I'm Realtor Amy Kelly, and until next time, happy house hunting.